Hello students, in our previous lecture we have completed exercise 12.1. Now we will move to the exercise 12.2. Okay, in exercise 12.1 we have found the area of triangle with the help of Heron's formula. In exercise 12.2 we will find the area of some different quadrilateral with the help of some Heron's formulas. Okay, now first question is a part in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is equal to 90 degree. A path in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD has an angle of 90 degree. AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter, AD is equal to 8 meter. So to better understand this question, we will make a diagram first. Okay. So ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to given 9 meter, BC is equal to given 12 meter, CD is equal to given 5 meter and AD is equal to given 8 meter. Okay. So this is the question and we need to find the area of this complete quadrilateral. But one thing is also given angle is equal to 90 degree. Now we are not having any formula to find the area of quadrilateral. So what we will do? We will convert this quadrilateral in two triangles by joining B to D. We will join B to D and we will convert this quadrilateral in two triangles. Then two. We can only find the area of this triangle whenever we are having the side BD also. But in this question BD is not given. So with the help of Heron's formula, PGD, Pythagoras theorem, because we are having 90 degree angle and in a right angle triangle, we can put Pythagoras theorem and we can find the hypotenuse. Okay, so when we will have the hypotenuse, then we can find the area of both the triangles and we will add up both of them. Then finally we can calculate the area of quadrilateral. So first of all, in triangle BCD by Pythagoras theorem, PGT in Pythagoras theorem. क्या होता है Pythagoras theorem? हरा भरा परिवार square h square is equal to b square plus p square, and BD is the hypotenuse, BC is the base and CD is the perpendicular. So hypotenuse का square means BD का square, base मतलब 12 का square plus perpendicular means 5 square. Okay, so BD square we don't know, square of 12 is 144, square of 5 is 25. Okay, now BD square is equal to 169. So BD will be equal to under root 169. Whenever square will remove, under root will be there on the opposite side. So BD is equal to 30 meter. Now first of all we will find the area of this right angle triangle BCD. So area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. You will ask that, sir, why we are not applying Heron's formula here? Because directly if we can find the value of triangle, area of triangle with the help of area of triangle formula, basic formula, then why we will put Heron's formula? Because it is more easy compared to Heron's. So 1 by 2, the value of base is given 12 and the value of height is given 5. 2 6 are 12, 6 5 are 30. So this area is 30 meter square. Now we will find the area of the another triangle ABD. For triangle ABD, S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. We will know very well. We know very well. Okay, the value of A is 9. The value of B means 13, and value of third side is 8. Okay, 8 meter. So 9 plus 13 plus 8 upon में 2. 9 plus 13 plus 8 is also 30 divided by 2. 13, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 13 30 divided by 2. It will be 15. So the value of S is given 15. Now area of triangle with the help of Heron's formula, we know that under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So the value of S is 15. 15 minus A means 9. 15 minus B means 13. 15 minus C is 8. So now under root 15 will be as it is. 15 minus 9 is 6. 15 minus 13 is 2. 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay. 3 5s are 15, we will factorize 15, and 6 will be factorized as 2 into 3, and 2 as it is and 7 as it is. We can check it the pairs. 3 and 3 is in pair, and 2 and 2 is in pair. 5 and 7 is not in pair, so it will keep it in root only. So 6 root 35. This is area of triangle ABD. Now area of quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. We will add both of them. So 30 plus 6 root 35. So 30 plus 6 root 35 will be only your answer, area of triangle, meter square. If you want to find the answer in exact value as it is, so you can put the value of root 35. How can you find the value of root 35? So you have to do the prime factorization, long division method. With the help of long division method, you can find the value of root 35. You can put the value, multiply with 6, and then add in 30. So you will get that answer in that form. Okay, non-root form. Is it clear? So this question is complete now. Now we will solve the another type of question. We will not able to solve all the question in video lecture, otherwise video lecture will be very long. So we will solve some types of question only. Now question number 4 I will do. So now question number 4. According to question number 4, a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. A triangle and a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram and this is a triangle. Okay, both are having the same base and same area. It is not given that height is same. So base is same. It means both are having AB as a base, same base, and area are equal. The sides of the triangles are given 26, 28, and 30. These sides are given for area of triangle. We need to find the area of parallelogram. So what we will do? First of all, we will find the area of triangle with the help of Heron's formula, and we know that according to question, area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. So after that we will find the height of the parallelogram. Is it clear? So let's start. For triangle AEB, S is equal to 26 plus 28 plus 30 is 30. 26 plus 30, 28 plus 30 divided by 2. When you will add 30 plus 20, 50 plus 20, 70, 70 plus 14, 84. 84 divided by 2. So S is equal to 84 divided by 2 is 42. So S is equal to 42. Okay. Now with the help of Heron's formula, we will find the area of triangle AB. Area of triangle is equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Now the value of S is 42. 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28, and 42 minus 30. Okay. So now start. 42 will use it 7 into 6. 42 minus 26 is 42 minus 26, 12 minus 6, 6, 3 minus 2, and 16. 42 minus 28 will be 14. 42 minus 30 will be 12. Okay, so 77 into 6, 16 into 14 into 12. Now we can factorize this number. 16 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to 16. I have written 16 is a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 7 into 2 and 2 into 6. You can say that, sir, 6 is not a prime factor. So why you are writing? Because we know that 6 is also there, so we can also write 2 into 6 and make pair. Our intention is to make pair only. Okay, now we will make the pair. So 7 and 7. 7 will be as it is 6 and 6. 6 will be as it is and 2 and 2 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2 is there, it will make 3 pairs. Now when you will multiply 7 6 is 42, 42 to the 84, 84 to the 1 84 to the 168, 168 to the 336. We can check 7 6 is 42, 42 to the 84, 84 to the 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16 into 2. It is 2 8 is 16, 2 6 is 12, 13, 2 1 is 2 7, 336. So it is 336 meter square area of triangle. Now we need to find the area of parallelogram according to question. According to question, area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. It is given in question. Area of triangle we found, that is 336. Area of parallelogram is base into height. So 336 will be as it is. Base of the parallelogram is given 28 into height. 336 when you will divide it by 28, you will get 12 is equal to h. So finally we got h is equal to 12 meter. Height of the parallelogram is 12 meter. Okay, so now this question number 4 is completed. After the completion of this question number 4, we will solve one more question of this exercise, and I hope you will understand completely this chapter. Okay, so let me take one more example, one more question of this exercise, which is question number 6. Question number 6 is given. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors. Each piece measuring 20, 15, 50. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? So this question is directly, sides are given of the triangle 20, 50 and 50. So first of all we will find the area of each triangle and we will multiply by 10. So easily you can solve this question with the help of Heron's formula. Sides are given, one portion we will calculate with the help of Heron's formula and we will multiply it by 10. So we will do it. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is given, that is a rhombus shaped field has a green grass for 18 cows to graze. A rhombus shaped field. For example, this is a rhombus A, B, C and D. Has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter, 30, 30, 30 and 30. It is given that each side of rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48. One of the diagonal of the rhombus is given 48 meter. How much area of grass field each will cow be getting? It means total 18 cows are there and we need to find that how much area will be grazed by each cow. So what we will do? First of all we will find the area of this complete rhombus shape and then we will divide it by 18. So let me do. Now area of each triangle shaped field, okay, S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. We can see that both the triangles are same, so what we will do, we will find the value of area of one triangle and we will multiply it by 2. So A is equal to the area, sides are 30 plus 30 plus 48 divided by 2. 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 40 100, 108 divided by 2. 108 divided by 2. So S will be equal to 54. Area of triangle is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Under root, the value of S is 54. 54 minus 30, again 54 minus 30 and 54 minus 48. These are the values of A, B and C. That are sides of triangle. Now 54 will be as it is. into 54 minus 30 is 24 into 54 minus 30 is again 24. 54 minus 48, 14 minus 8, 6. Now 4 minus 4, 1. So it is 6 only. 4 minus 4, 0. Now we can make pairs 9 into 6, 24 as it is, because 24 is always in pair, also in pair. 6 as it is. So 9 root is 3, 6 and 6 is in pair, 6 will be as it is. 24 and 24 is in pairs, 24 is in time, we will write one time only. Now 6 is 18 into 24. This is the area of triangle. Now area of rhombus is equal to 2 into area of triangle, because it is double. Area of rhombus is double of the area of triangle. So it is 2 into 18 into 24. Okay, now area grazed by each cow. Therefore, total 18 cows are there. So 2 into 18 into 24 was the total area. We will divide it by 18. Okay. So 18 to 18 cancel. 24 to the 48 meter square. It means 48 meter square area will be grazed by each cow. Okay. So after the completion of this question, we have completed each type of question from this exercise. Now you can solve the remaining question and you can practice it. Okay. Thank you so much. We have completed the chapter now.